You're not just looking at another drone, you're looking at a completely different way to experience flight. The DJI Avata series isn't built for casual flying. It's built for immersion, the kind of immersion where you don't just control the drone, you feel like you're inside it. And if you've been hearing about DJI Avata 360, let me clear it up right away. There's no true 360 camera here like an Insta 360. What you're getting instead is something far more practical for creators. Ultra-wide, stabilized FPV footage that feels like 360 without the headaches of editing actual 360 video. Now let's get into what really matters. First thing, design. The Avata is compact, durable, and fully ducted. That means those propeller guards aren't just for safety. They actually make indoor and close proximity flying way more forgiving. You can fly through tight spaces, hallways, even around people. Something traditional drones struggle with. But the real magic starts when you put on the goggles. This is where DJI dominates. The FPV goggles give you a real-time, ultra-low latency view that feels like you're sitting inside the drone. For USA-based creators especially, where cinematic storytelling is huge, this is a game changer. You're not guessing your shots anymore. You're living them. Now let's talk camera performance. The Avata comes with a 1/1.7-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, but specs alone don't tell the full story. What really stands out is the rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization. Even when you're flying aggressively, diving, turning, accelerating, the footage stays smooth and level. That's something FPV drones used to struggle with. Low light, surprisingly solid. Not perfect, but definitely usable for sunset shots, city lights, and indoor environments, which is where this drone shines. You've got two options. The motion controller, super beginner friendly, almost like pointing where you want to go. Or the FPV remote controller, for full manual control if you want that pro-level cinematic movement. If you're targeting a US audience or trying to go viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok, this drone gives you that high-speed, high-impact footage that stands out instantly. But it's not perfect. It's not a true 360 camera. It's not designed for long-range cinematic mapping. And if you want full manual FPV skills, there's a learning curve. But honestly, that's not what this drone is about. This is about experience-driven content. This is about making viewers feel like they're inside your video. And that's exactly why it's blowing up among content creators right now. So here's the real verdict. If you want traditional drone shots, this isn't it. If you want mind-blowing, immersive, scroll-stopping footage, this is one of the best tools you can get right now. And that's what separates average creators from dominating ones. This is Drone Dominator. And now you know what actually dominates the sky.